In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace an image and keep formatting in Microsoft Word. If you have a picture in your Word document that already has a specific size, position, border, shape, or other formatting, you may want to replace the image without losing the formatting you have already applied. Microsoft Word provides a simple way to do this. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document that contains the image you want to replace. Next, click on the picture to select it. Once the image is selected, go to the Picture Format tab at the top of the Word window. Now, look for the Change Picture option. Click it to open the available choices for replacing the selected image. Select the option that allows you to choose a new picture. Then, locate the replacement image you want to use and select it. Word will replace the original picture with the new one, while keeping the existing formatting of the picture. This means settings such as the picture's size, position, border, effects, and other formatting can remain in place. After the new image appears, take a moment to check the result. The replacement picture should fit into the same location and maintain the formatting that was applied to the original image. If the new image looks different because of its proportions, you can adjust it as needed while keeping the existing picture formatting. This method is especially useful when working with documents that have carefully arranged images. Instead of deleting the original picture and inserting a new one, using Change Picture lets you update the image while preserving the formatting and layout. If you need to replace another image, simply select that picture and repeat the same process. Once you're satisfied with the replacement, save your Word document to keep the changes. And that's how you can replace an image in Microsoft Word while keeping its existing formatting. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,